In this video, I will show you how to create PrizePicks account. So let's jump straight into it. So to do this, the first thing you're going to want to do is come across to the official website, which is PrizePicks.com. Now, once you come across this website, you're going to see a purple sign up button in the top right hand corner of the screen. All you need to do is give this a click. And once you've done that, you'll be redirected to a page like this. Now, to go ahead and sign up, all you need to do first is enter the email address that you want to sign up with. And you can also enter a promo code if you have one. If you don't have one, you can actually tick this box and they're going to give you a free promo code, just like so. And once you've done that, you come down and click the purple continue button. So now what you need to do is enter your first and last name and then click the purple continue button at the bottom. Make sure this info does match your driver's license, as you will have to verify your account with your driver's license or another government issued ID. Then what you need to do is enter your date of birth. Of course, you must be 18 or older to play PrizePicks, so just something to bear in mind there. Next, what you're going to want to do is enter your address. And finally, you just want to go ahead and create a password. Then all you need to do is tick to agree to the PrizePicks terms of service, including the arbitration provision and privacy policy. Once that's done, click the purple create account button at the bottom of the screen. After doing this, what they're going to do is ask you to enter the last 4 digits of your SSN. This is to help protect you from fraud, so you want to do that next. And after doing that, if you are in a state where you are able to use PrizePicks, then your account will be created. Now, because I'm in the UK, unfortunately, PrizePicks is not available in the UK, but at this point, your account will be created and you'll be able to go ahead, deposit money, and start using PrizePicks. So that is how to create PrizePicks account. With that being said, I hope this quick tutorial did help you out today, and if this did help you out, I would really appreciate it if you was to consider dropping down below the video, leaving a like, and also subscribing to the channel. With that being said, I just want to take a minute to thank you guys for watching this quick tutorial, and I will see you in the next video.